best bread, roll, wrap, anything you've ever had in your life.
They actually look really sweet. They're not actually spicy at all.
Let's go in for the bite. I like it. It's finger looking good.
Hi, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Pakistan!
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers and this is our Pakistan series. We are currently in Islamabad and we're at KFC. Every single country, we always want to try the international brands and restaurants, and there's nothing bigger, well maybe McDonald's, but KFC. So let's try Pakistani KFC.
Thank you.
We've gone a little bit crazy and ordered a lot of stuff. We wanted to try everything that we've never seen on the menu before. We haven't tried a KFC in Pakistan at all, so this is going to be our first one. And the best one we've ever had while we've been traveling was in Panama. So let's see if it'll beat that. The chicken was unreal. So I'm going to go straight in with this double stacker chicken burger. This just looks amazing. It's double breasted chicken with cheese. It looks like we've got like a sweet garlic chili sauce in there, jalapenos, loads going on. Look at that. Oh my god. They're gonna be spicy. That's what's gonna ruin me. But let's go in for the bite. It's just coming out. That is so good. Proper juicy chicken. Definitely got a kick. Well, not barely got any of them jalapenos in there, but chicken's like really crispy. That's really good. I've never had like that. It's like more like flaky. It's not like battered. So it's like a more crispy one. It's really nice. It's hot, chicken's juicy, and it's cooked to perfection. It is spicy though, but the cheese goes really nice with it. That's wow nice. And I like the buns. It's like a grainy bun. You don't normally have them at home. We also got a bucket of fries. Never seen this before. Look like standard KFC chips. Crispy, warm, nicely seasoned. They're actually probably better than our chips. They're more like towards McDonald's chips. Very nice. So let's actually see how many we get, because they put this in there and I know that's a technique to not fill up the bucket. I don't know. That's actually quite generous. That is a bucket. Next, this is, you'll probably never see this in any other country except for Pakistan. We've got a paratha wrap, and if you haven't tried a paratha, these are like the best bread, roll, wrap, anything you've ever had here. This is called a zingarata, a must try. We've got some crispy fried chicken in there. I'm not sure on the sauce, but there's some fried onion. But let's go in and try it, and then I'll let you know if it's spicy as well. That is well good. It's like a sweet chili sauce, and then the fried onions in it go really well with like the wrap. Oh, you can't beat a paratha. Let's have a look inside. So it's literally sauce, chicken breast and onions. That's my favourite. I prefer that to the burger. Really good. And I'm not normally a wrap person. I always go for a burger. Next, before I eat all of it, I'm going to let Ben try this because I'm a little bit scared. It looks like it's going to be hot.
Right, so I'm actually the chicken taster for today, right? So we got obviously original recipe. As Reanne said, when we went to Panama, they put like the coating on it was like out of this world. Will Pakistan beat it? Let's try the original recipe, see if it's different. Good crunch. First thing I noticed, that's more salty than what we get at home. I don't know the batter they use, they put more salt in it, but it's still got that great KFC taste. And obviously, yeah, perfectly cooked. So this is what I'm interested about. These are called masala wings. I've never seen these anywhere else in the world, but they're here in Pakistan. Look at them. They look very hot and spicy. I'm gonna get a bit messy here, but I'm gonna dig straight in. Look at that. They actually look really sweet. They're not actually spicy at all. And they've got like a, as the name suggests, like a real sweet, tangy taste. They're actually lovely.
I think that's the same sauce in my wrap.
And you just look, they're very generous with the sauce as well. And it's going to be very messy. But yeah, they're unbelievable. unbelievable, honestly.
Also coated in like sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. Well, they look so good. And as Ben said, look at all that sauce in there. Loads. This was in.
Let me have 1 minute of your time. We'd like to thank today's sponsor, Oversea VPN. With Oversea VPN, you can simultaneously log into between 2 and 10 devices. Oversea VPN offers you maximum compatibility, be it Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android and Linux, as well as popular browsers like Firefox or Chrome. Oversea VPN is available on all popular platforms. All plans unlock Disney+, Hulu and BBC iPlayer, and 7 major Netflix regions.
As we travel full-time and use public Wi-Fi, for example, coffee shops, airports, accommodations, that's why it's perfect for us. Oversea is affordable and keeps us safe while we're on the road. Oversea VPN also has the lowest price on the market. Right now you can get a 5-year plan just for $60. That works out just $1 a month. Check out Oversea VPN, links in the description down below. Now back to the video.
On our like planned food, but I got a couple of corn on the cobs. Love corn on the cob. And you're always seeing it sold on the side of the street here, so I reckon it's going to be like different. Big one. These are a lot bigger than ours at home. I'd say it's like double the size, but it's really, really hot, and it comes on a stick. It's got butter on it. It's really hot. It's really juicy and soft, so it's not like hard corn. It definitely tastes different to our corn at home. A lot nicer and a lot better cooked. Really good. I'm glad I added that on the side, but we didn't get any drinks because we didn't buy any meals. We actually bought loads of separate stuff, and I couldn't see a dessert on the menu, so I'm a little bit upset. We might have to go to McDonald's and go and get a dessert, because you can't finish a food day without dessert. So we got 7 items in total, and it come to 3,038 rupees, so a lot cheaper than our KFC at our home, and a bargain. I think this could beat Panama. It definitely beats the one at home. You get a lot more for your money, you've got a lot more choices on the menu, and to be honest, it's probably like a lot more better looking, because ours are always soggy. Chicken's always soggy at home, but this is a really good KFC. We're in Sector 8, we came in this area the other day, and there's loads of banks, there's loads of food areas, there's loads to do here, so it's a really good area to come and eat. This is like a really modern area. It's quite a young crowd in it. It's all like young kids eating in it, and it's really busy. We're sat upstairs and it's full up here. Downstairs there was no seating. It's quite small. It's not like the biggest KFC, but it's really good and really modern, clean, and you definitely won't get a funny belly in here. But I like it. It's finger looking good.
Right, we're actually just about to head to the shop because Reanne has not stopped going on about dessert.
So KFC doesn't do dessert. There's no McDonald's here, so I can't get myself a McFlurry. So I'm going to have to get an ice cream from the shop.
Hormones are going crazy. We're actually thinking about filming a day in the life video tomorrow. Let us know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. It's just going to literally be our normal day.
But here in Pakistan.
Just here in Pakistan, yeah. We were thinking about doing it in every country we visit, but it's always different. So let us know in the comments.
And comment down below what you'd like to see in our day of life. What things are we showing that you're quite like, well, what do they do in the morning? What do they do after this? Let us know down below. Okay, we're gonna go to Baskin Robbins because I've never had one, but sorry, got in the way of that guy straight away. But some guy just went up to Ben and said about some oil that's good for like your hair growth. I couldn't find that one, but I asked the lady and she said organic blackseed oil was meant to be the best. So Ben's gonna try this on his hair.
To be honest, right, I don't know whether to take offence because I actually had a hat on. And he must have assumed, looked at me and thought, he's bald. But I was like, yeah, I am bald, mate, yeah. So thank you very much for the advice.
Finish off the night with ice cream. We've got a Baskin Robbins. We've seen in loads of countries, as I said. We've never tried one. I got the praline and cream one. It's quite expensive actually. It was like 500 rupees and it was a tiny scoop. It was really nice. We've got like the praline lumps in it and then like a caramel sauce in it. I kind of wish I went for the gooey brownie one now though. It's good, but just a little bit small for me. Alright, we're going to finish the video here today. I hope you enjoyed us trying KFC. Maybe we'll try McDonald's or somewhere else, but I think we've done a lot of food out here. So we'll see you in the next video. We are going to go and try the national dish here in Islamabad. So make sure you subscribe. We also got a bucket of chips and
Fries.
We're set up
Got to finish off the night with a Baskin Robbins ice cream. I went for the praline and cream one.
Do it this way. Now.